It's been 4 days since I created this big shop. Here is the honest update. So I made this hair yesterday and this is day 1 sleeping with this hair. I just baked and this is what the hair is looking like. It's still looking good, right? Yeah. But I noticed that the glue I used is already feeling weak because it doesn't go well with water, heat, just like frontal installation. So let me check the back. This is the back. I don't know if it's showing, but so tip number 1 is when you're baiting, like when you want to bait, when you make this kind of hairstyle, just like your frontal installation, you see these hairlines, you're gonna avoid your water, soap, etc. If you usually clean your face, just avoid it touching the hairline, just the way you protect your installation when you want to bait. You don't need to band it. I didn't band mine. I just wore my hair bonnet and I bait, but I try as much as I can to just wash this way, you get, to avoid the water from touching it. Then tip number 2 is always sleep with hairnet if you have a bonnet, but make sure you're sleeping in a cool environment that you not be sweating so much. So if you're the kind of person that sweats a lot, my dear, on AC or get a fan to blow you so you won't sweat a lot. 2 things I've done since I made this hair. In fact, yesterday I wore makeup and after the whole bathing, I knew I washed a bit of the side. Yeah, because this is white and I don't want the white to be having the makeup stain, so I know I did a little bit of washing. Same thing with the back. You have to make sure you avoid just for that period of time, okay? So let's see how many days this is gonna last me. And with that, I can confidently say, okay, if you use this procedure, your low kinky haircut can last you for a period of so days. Day 2 of me carrying this hair, and this is what it looks like. All right, so yesterday night when I wanted to take my bath, I realized that the front, look at it, is already lifting out. As you can see, that's what I noticed. So I just pressed down like this. Now I have a very oily skin. Like this morning I've bathed, so it's looking a bit dry. Once I start getting busy with the day and all, my face becomes very oily, like extremely oily. And because of that, I know it's not gonna last that long. Then I sweat a lot on my scalp and all those things. I know it's not gonna make the hair last. And aside from that, it's itching me. I think the glue is not good with my skin. I'm a little bit sensitive to that particular glue. So next time if I'm gonna make this hairstyle, I'll have to use another type of glue entirely. I'm not gonna use this exact type of glue while making this hair. So if you're somebody that have a dry skin and you don't sweat a lot, definitely it's gonna last longer. And I will also advise you use a better glue while making the hair, because the better the glue, the longer it's gonna last. So far it's looking like I can still carry it another day. It's looking like I can still carry it today, and at the end of today, tomorrow morning, I'm still gonna show you. I don't know what the back looks like right now. Let me turn and see. I know this back is definitely going to start lifting out soon. So this is what the back looks like. So see you tomorrow, day 3, on what it looks like. So today is day 3 carrying my low kinky haircut, and this is what the hair looks like today. Whew. So I noticed that, see, all the parts I applied glue, it's already out. See, like what you're saying right now, and it's itching me. Let's see the back view. I'm not saying my guys, today is day 4 carrying this hairstyle, and this is what the hair looks like. it's already lifting out. The glue is already out, and the back view, I think from this angle, it's not really nice anymore. So this is what the back looks like. For me, I would say if you don't have oily skin, you can carry this hair for maximum of 5 days. And if you still want to have the look, because me, I'm tired, if you still want to carry the hair, you can probably apply more glue here, or you use your spray hose and you tie down, including the back, and it's still carryable. So 7 days, 4 to 7 days, it's okay to carry this hairstyle, and it's worth it. I really enjoy the look. The fact that I don't need to start combing my hair or dressing my hair before going out every morning. The fact that everybody just thinks I cut my hair, it makes me feel so good, and everybody loves the color. The fact that you can explore any color at all. You can use yellow, green, purple, pink without damaging your natural hair. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove this without pulling off your hair, and the easiest way to remove the old crochet stuff, because it was crochet from start to end. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned 1 or 2 from this video, and you can drop your thoughts in the comment section if the hair is worth it. Bye.